Good morning friends and welcome back to a new vlog. Today is Monday, March 22nd. It is now, let me check. It is almost 10:30 in the morning and I'm actually waiting on the Wi-Fi guy to come in. They are installing our Wi-Fi finally. We have been living here for a week now and we made an appointment last week, but apparently that company wasn't able to provide us with Wi-Fi in this apartment. So we had to go with another company and they are coming today. So yeah, I'm waiting on them to come. And then I'm going to the garden center with my mom, which I'm really looking forward to. And yeah, then I have to do some cleaning. And I also want to show you guys a few new like home decor pieces that I picked up, and then also the update on the dressing. This hair is still wet and it is driving me insane. But yeah, as I was saying, the dressing is almost completely finished. So I want to show you guys what it looks like basically. And then I also have to go to the post office and drop off a few packages because I am selling a lot of my clothes on Vinted and I sold quite a few pieces this weekend. So I'm going to drop those off today as well. But yeah, now I am waiting on the Wi-Fi guy and then I'll take you guys along for the day. Okay, so as I mentioned, I wanted to show you guys a few new home decor pieces that I picked up. So starting off with these. The other day my boyfriend and we went shopping to an outlet mall and they had a Le Creuset outlet. And I picked up a few pieces. The first thing is this right here. So it is a pink, yeah, a dish, I would say. I don't know what I would put in here. I have been putting some Easter eggs in here. But like for a little dip or something, I thought that would be really cute. Then I also got this utensil holder which just holds a couple of my wooden utensils, and again I just love the vibe of Le Creuset and I love the colors that they had. And then lastly I picked up a mug, of course. I know I already have way too many mugs, but yeah, I couldn't resist this one, so I picked up another mug. So those are the pieces that I got from the outlet mall. This is, by the way, something that I bought this summer in the south of France. It is a ceramic like olive oil dispenser, I guess you would say. It was handmade and it is really handy for cooking. That came out really weird, but yeah, for cooking. So that is what I keep next to my stove. Then I still have some more pieces that are actually from my own store. So we are now selling some home decor. I'm starting off with a very small collection, but I want to grow it, and yeah, I want to add more home decor to my online store and also my physical store. So I'm going to show you guys a couple of the pieces that I picked out for myself, but I will have everything linked down below. Not everything is online already, but the pieces that are, I will link down below. So these are actually the pieces that I picked up. The first one is this beautiful dish, and I thought this would be really fun for like dips and stuff. Then I also picked up this one, which I thought would be a really cool vase. Then I have a few small, like, I don't know, like dishes, like I would put jewelry and stuff in here. So I have one with polka dots and then one with this beautiful design. Then I have this, which again I think would be perfect for a dip or like chips. And then of course I had to pick up another mug. I am obsessed with mugs, as you can tell. Then I also have this, which I just love the design and the pattern on it. Again, great for dips. Then I have this little bowl, which I think is absolutely stunning. Then I also have this little dish. It is like a plate, and then also this plate. So yeah, those are the pieces that I picked up from my own store, and I am so excited about these, and I cannot wait to grow my collection. Alright, so I am still waiting on the Wi-Fi guy. He is still not here, but while we wait, I can also show you guys the dressing. Oh, and this is also new. I built this with my boyfriend. This is actually his closet, which is in the hallway. It also has a mirror. Don't mind me, I am still wearing my sweatpants. I will change before leaving. But yeah, this is his dresser. And then moving on to the actual dressing, this is what it looks like. Let me try and zoom out. No, this is how much I can zoom out. But yeah, this is the Bex dressing from IKEA. Not all my clothes are here yet. A lot of them are still at my parents' house. But yeah, I just have a couple of like racks for clothing, like right here. And then I also have this that pulls out for all of my jewelry. But again, I still have to move a lot of it. It is still at my parents' house. And then on the other side, I have a smaller Bex dressing, which we are still working on. So yesterday I put in this thing, which is for pants and stuff, which is really handy. And then above this I will have a couple of shelves and stuff for extra storage for my underwear, pajamas and stuff like that. And then next to that is our, is it a hamper? I think it is called a hamper. But yeah, this is what the dressing looks like, and I am way too excited about this. I cannot wait to fill it up. But so far, the update on the dressing. So now I'm just going to chill for a little bit until the Wi-Fi guy gets here. Drink some orange juice and then maybe put some more items on my vintage account. Vinted account. So if you want to shop my closet, then definitely check out the description below. I will have my Vinted account linked there.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights.
Okay guys, time for a little update. I just got home from going to the garden center. It is almost 7 in the evening and I picked up a lot of things. I just carried it upstairs and it is a lot, but it is so beautiful. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys what I picked up at the garden center. And I also wanted to mention that everything went fine for the Wi-Fi. So we finally have Wi-Fi and television. That is amazing. We have been without it for a week now, so I'm really happy we finally got that sorted out. But yeah, I'm going to show you guys the things that I picked up at the garden center. Okay, first thing I picked up is this huge plant right here. If it will focus, there you go. The pot it is in is actually from H&M Home, but this is the plant that I got, which is going in that corner once all of this crap is gone. Then I also got this to hang on the wall, and I'm going to hang this on the wall in the bedroom, I think. And then I also got the matching mirror, which looks like this. And then I got a couple of these like seashell like display things, I would say. So this one and then also this one. I got these dry flowers, these fake pampas grass. So these are fake, but I think they look really nice. And then these are real pampas grass. I picked up a lot of herbs and then also some cute pots. So this is what they look like. I also got a cactus, got some coriander. What else did I get? I got mint, and also this beautiful plant. And the pot is also really nice. This one is also way too cute. Look at it. That is just adorable. Then I got these two bins, which I want to put on my TV console. Got a dream catcher, or what looks like a dream catcher. Again, for in the bedroom, I think. Got a beautiful, like, I don't know, plate thing. And then I also got this, which is a fish. I know that might be a little bit weird, but I kind of liked it. I don't know why. And then I also got this, like, what is it, a starfish in wood, which I think again will look really pretty. And that is actually everything. Oh, and random side note, but my garden center has the best waffles, so I picked up a box of those. And yeah, that is everything that I picked up. Now I'm going to put everything away, add it to my decor. I am so happy with everything I picked up, and I think the plants and the flowers and the herbs will add a lot of color to the apartment, because right now it looks kind of white and boring in my opinion.
Let me figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling them down. I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind. I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.